Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to send TikTok coins to your friends. Whether you want to support a creator during a live stream or send virtual gifts, the process is quick and easy. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and sign into your account. Next, make sure you have enough TikTok coins in your balance. If you don't, tap your profile, open the menu, and go to Settings and Privacy. Then select Balance and purchase the number of coins you need. After that, go to your friend's live stream. TikTok coins are primarily used to send virtual gifts during live broadcasts. While watching the live, tap the gift button at the top of the screen. Browse the available gifts and choose the one you want to send. Each gift costs a different number of coins, so make sure you have enough in your balance. Once you've selected a gift, tap Send. The required number of coins will be deducted from your balance, and your friend will receive the virtual gift during the live. Keep in mind that you can send TikTok coins directly to another user's balance. Instead, coins are used to purchase virtual gifts that you send during eligible live streams and other supported features. And that's it. That's how you can send TikTok coins to your friends. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.